Hello everyone and welcome to the A-Level Maths and Further Maths presentation. I'm going to hand over now to Miss Lowry.
Hi everyone. So what is A-Level Maths? Well, it's split into three separate areas. You've got your pure maths, which is worth 2/3 of the course, and then statistics and mechanics, which are worth 1/6 each. You'll learn about the wonderful world of calculus and some of the mathematical greats, such as Isaac Newton. You can learn how to do modelling and interpret those models, like the statistics you've seen in the press, and you could learn how to do stunts like this without causing yourself an injury. Pure maths is at the heart of all the mathematics that you will be learning at A-level. It includes things such as proof, algebra, trigonometry, which you've learned already at GCSE, and introduces ideas around calculus and further vectors. Statistics, again, you've covered at GCSE to a certain extent, but we'll be taking ideas behind probability and calculations of likelihoods even further. And mechanics helps us to model the world around us and understand how objects move, how forces work, and if you're planning anything to do with physics or engineering, mechanics will be really helpful for you. If you're interested in any of the careers shown on this screen now, so anything related to engineering, financial degrees or physics, then maths will be an essential requirement at nearly all universities. But even if you're thinking beyond that and you're interested in things such as psychology or chemistry, maths is often listed as one of the essential subjects for these, and even if it's not essential, it will be useful in the study. If you're not planning on going to university, or if you don't think that your degree is going to involve any maths, then maths is still really important for you. Employers enjoy the idea that you understand how to solve problems and that you can think your way around things in a different way. Maths is what's known as a facilitating subject. Along with the other subjects that are listed on this screen, if you study maths, then you're opening doors for yourself to have lots of different options. The universities shown on the right-hand side regard maths very highly and would look upon a maths A-level as very favourably in an application. If you need more convincing, having an A-level in maths will help you more, because on A-level, 11% more over their lifetime compared to those who take other A-level subjects.
So, I study maths at Rodillian. As a department, we can offer lots of different things that other further education colleges might not be able to offer you, such as familiar and experienced teachers who know how to teach you best, free online access to all textbooks for maths and further maths, access to additional enrichment sessions through the Advanced Maths Support Programme, and access to STEP preparation classes, which will help you going on to universities such as Cambridge or Oxford and Warwick University. Our students who currently study A-level maths have given the following reasons for furthering your studies here, such as the teachers being very knowledgeable and helpful and going extra lengths to support you and your understanding. They've also mentioned that the subject may be very challenging, but it is also really rewarding. And they've also said that the maths teachers that they had in years 9 to 11 were really good, and it was a really convenient way of accessing a higher standard of teaching with members of staff that they were already familiar with. They also said that they felt like they got more help from their teachers here than they would have done if they continued on to college. Now what we look for from you as a prospective student, we're looking for somebody who enjoys maths and enjoys their problem solving, has already been successful in GCSE maths, and is also very organised, and all of their different skills that we'd look for collectively in sixth form itself. Over the last few years, our maths and further maths students have left us to further their studies at lots of different affluent universities and completing high-level courses, such as the following that are on the screen now. These include really interesting courses and really interesting degrees, such as physics and astrophysics at St Andrews, marine zoology at Newcastle, and architecture at Nottingham. There are many, many students that have gone on to have successful studies after us.
Now, if you love maths, then you might want to take it further by doing further maths. I can hear you cringing. There are two options if you're interested in doing further maths. You could take it as a full A level over 2 years, or there may be a 1 year option available to you where you could get an AS, which is worth half of an A level. There are some maths degrees that list further maths as essential, but the top universities do have it as a compulsory requirement. The majority of the content of the first year maths degree will be based upon further maths learning. So even if you're not sure whether you want to take it, just having an AS would really set you at an advantage when you start university. So maths is a lucrative course, but further maths is even more lucrative. And actually those students who study further maths at A level earn more than any other subject, including maths. Further maths would need to be taken in addition to your maths A level, because the content of the two courses do overlap massively. So the things you would study in an A level in further maths would be half pure mathematics and half of some kind of applied maths, and it is up to you which of those you want to take, so you can really pursue your areas of interest. The choices for your applied modules include statistics, mechanics, decision maths, or even some additional pure if you're really enjoying it. Further maths takes the physics ideas that you'll have explored in your normal A level further, likewise for your statistics, and decision helps you to find strategies to solve interesting problems. In your further pure, you might look into the idea of complex numbers, which for those of you who've ever been told you can't find the square root of a negative number, you're about to learn something special.
Thank you very much for watching. If you require any further details about maths or further maths, then please speak to your maths teacher, use the school website, or you can email me, Mr. Francis, at the email below. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.